Welcome, foolish mortals. I am your host, your ghost host, Brittany, and this is a Haunted Mansion episode. The new Haunted Mansion movie came out today, and I want to take y'all along for a little Haunted Mansion fun. We're going to head to Disney Springs and find some Haunted Mansion merch, and then we're going to go see the new Haunted Mansion movie. I'm so excited. Here we go. Haunted Mansion merch. This is what I saw. $22.99 set of 2 towels. That is super cute. Oh my gosh. $19.99. Cookie Dart is $24.99. It's got the hat box goes. Right on there. Right on there. Is that what it says? Not for food use? So maybe dog treats? Or like, what would you put in if it's not for food use? There's the design that's on the blankets. Let's see. $69.99. Haunted Mansion stuff. But this is the exact merch that I saw. So this is what I was looking for. There's some Haunted Mansion. Think furry thoughts. Little Nemo section. That's where I got his rope toy. Yeah, baby was crying a lot in that video, so I wanted to voice over. The Trendy got a new vamp. If you see the ceilings, it looks amazing. But they also have the Haunted Mansion merch, which is what I was looking for. We've been dying to have you. I'm a heartbreaker. $19.99. I really like that one. Madame Leota. Yeah, it is a little thick. $59.99. Time to party. No design on the back. And there's the shirt. $49.99. Little shirt dress. $69.99. $59.99. There's the lounge fly.
I don't wear Crocs. If I did, I totally would get them.
88.
I really love them. But I just don't wear Crocs. Yeah, I steal hers from time to time. Ginger got a 9, but she's got
$29.99. Yeah. Oh, it glows in the dark. Yeah, it glows in the dark.
What does it say? Ultraviolet? Is that what it said?
Foolish mortals. $29.99.
Oh, this is going.
No, that one's just glow in the dark. Here's the ears that actually go in the dark too. This right here glows. I want these. The ears are usually somewhere between 30 and 40. But yeah. And then the Crocs. Oh my gosh. Lounge fly. Last week we came to the Flavors of Florida video link below the like button, and we looked for Haunted Mansion merch. Here it is in World of Disney. Here is the Haunted Mansion puzzle with the stretch room, and then they have the chess game of Haunted Mansion, which glows. I want it so bad. I'm going to ask for it for Christmas. The Epic Theater to see Haunted Mansion. It's our first time seeing a movie in St. Augustine. If you haven't seen our St. Augustine move, I'll link those videos down below. But we're going to go in. I think the last time we saw a movie was Aladdin at the theaters down in Disney Springs. So we're going to come in, grab some popcorn, eat some food, and see Haunted Mansion. I'm so excited about this, y'all. We're going to grab some popcorn and a drink before we go in. I think we're going to go with the number 2, a large popcorn and a drink for $13.99.
$6.17 for change. Would you like a receipt? And what drink would you like? Can I do Mr. Big, please?
Movie popcorn smells so good. Comment down below if you've seen this movie or even if you've seen like Barbie or Oppenheimer. I'm very excited to see Haunted Mansion. If I had to go to a movie, I was going to go to Haunted Mansion. So let's grab a seat and eat some popcorn and enjoy the movie. When we bought the tickets, the girls said, sit behind the bars, sit behind handicap. It's the best place and you put your feet up. So that's what we did. If you're on a Disney bus by yourself and you're king of the bus, what is it when you have the theater to yourself? All right, we just saw the new Haunted Mansion movie. It was amazing, which I really loved the first one that we saw back in 2003. So this was so good. I cannot wait for it to come to Disney Plus so I can keep watching it. Spoiler-free review of the Haunted Mansion movie. What'd you think?
I liked it. It was good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
How many times would you say you've ridden the ride?
Probably like 3 or 4.
So probably going back and riding the ride. And he'll probably see more things. But
I've seen stuff, but yeah, I'd have to see the ride.
Being a huge fan, it was amazing. It was so good. I cannot wait for it to come to Disney Plus so I can watch it again and over and over. And I can't wait to ride the ride again to see like all the little things that, you know, you forget about seeing. And it was really good. Go see it. And here is my Haunted Mansion shirt that I wore today. I got this at the Character Warehouse. I think it was like $13.99. It was such a cute shirt. I had to get it. I actually wore it at the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party last year. So I'll link those videos down below if you haven't seen our Mickey's Not So Scary. But it was so much fun seeing Haunted Mansion. It was such a good movie. It is my favorite ride at Magic Kingdom, so I am a little biased, and now I'm going to take y'all along for the ride. This is previously recorded from my birthday video and also our last time at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. This video had no windows and no doors, which begs the way for you to find a way out. I love you all so much for watching my Haunted Mansion video. It means that you love Haunted Mansion just as much as I do. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got a lot of fun stuff coming up. Y'all are all a bunch of sweet peas for watching, and we'll see y'all in our next video.